Hi everyone, welcome to Legacy. Please fill out the connection card you were handed as you walked in. This not only allows us to keep attendance, but also to help keep you informed on what's going on here at Legacy. Now let's take a look at some upcoming events.
Everyone wants to become bigger, greater, larger, expand, and grow. The worship team wants to do that as well. April 27th from 3 to 5, we're having auditions. So come out, bring your favorite song, whether it's R. Kelly, Beyonce, whatever it is. I mean, remember, we are in church, so choose wisely. But bring what you can sing. We're excited to be there. We're excited to have you. Let's worship together.
We have an amazing behind the walls ministry here at Legacy called Calm Victory. In order to be a part of it, you must be trained. Training will be held at 5 p.m. on April 27th. No sign up necessary, just come ready to learn.
Our Calm Victory re-entry service will be held April 27th at 7 p.m. We're having guest speaker, ex-Globetrotter Melvin Adams. Don't miss it.
For more information about Legacy, visit us at HoustonLegacy.com, follow us on Twitter @GotLegacyTV, and like us on Facebook.